Garage door Mike, doing truck door operator / new spring. Grinding off that bottom right now because the bolts are all stripped. Changing all the rollers. You can actually hear this truck running. These guys just pulled up, got them right in. That's how we do it. All new rollers, new operator. How long did that operator take to get in this time? Like a week or two?
Yeah, about a week.
Yeah, they're running a little lag time on the spring systems for these Whittings. What you need? I don't know where that's at. Yep, right there. Screwdriver, punch, chump chisel. Now, get up here. There. Brand new spring operator, drums, cables. Everything's brand new. The only problem now is they better not hit this door. Let's see here, I'll show you some rollers here we're doing. All new 13 ball zinc nylon. That's the beauty with these Whitting doors. They'll take these, our standard 2-inch roller, and these are indestructible, so that's what you need for these truck doors, something indestructible. And we're going from that to that because that is messed up. We're gonna get it done. Over here, you can get that one's gonna get chopped too. Yep. Why don't you go tell him that we're gonna need another one unless he's already going to get it. And all the rollers here, we'll be just about done here in a few minutes. The door itself is pretty beat up, but we're saving it. There's one of the rollers goes in the bucket. There's all the junk. I'll take you out and show you the old crap. There's the old crap. This stuff is just corrosion on there, just totally rusted on there. Just, you can get none of this stuff off. It just gets abused. You really need to have, I can't stress enough, just maintenance on these truck doors. I cannot stress it enough. I mean, this is, you're gonna end up paying eventually, so you're gonna pay big or you're gonna pay, you know, minimum. If you have your truck door serviced at least once a year, you're gonna save yourself big headaches. Or even just look up videos on how to lubricate everything. That would save so much aggravation. With these truck doors with the parts breaking. Now the springs you can't really do too much about. You can lube them a little bit, you know, oil them, but just all this other stuff and the rollers being all garbaged up, just oil that stuff up, man. Once a year, you'll be so far ahead of the game. Keep all the nuts and bolts tight on the end hinges and you'll be ahead of the game. So that's it for now. We're not done. I might do a part 2 here, but probably not because you've seen a bazillion of my truck door videos. This one here, we're just tooling along on innovative door, truck trailer door repair, just same day, same hour service, not same day service, same hour. Pull in, can hear the truck running, put the operator in, springs on, everything, get it done. And we got these doors too in stock. We have Whitting doors in stock and Todco's in stock. And we got panels in stock. We need panel replacement. We got all that locks, handles. We got the whole kit and caboodle now. Give us a call, 630-271-9343, www.innovativedoor.com. Like us on Facebook, we'll like you. Thank you for watching our truck pull-in, the same hour door service. And as always, I encourage everyone, to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching our